Hello dear students. In the last video, I explained you about set off of losses, um, how an assessee can adjust the losses he has incurred under various heads of incomes against the profits he has earned either within the same head or with the other heads of income. So at the end I told you, in case if he fails to adjust his losses either within the same head or against any other heads of income, what is the option available for him? Can he carry forward such losses for the next year? Because that adjustment can be done for the previous year's income only. And if it is not possible in the assessment year, can he carry forward it to next year? That's the question arises at the end of the video. So the answer to that question is available in this presentation. So let's begin. Carry forward of losses. So what do you mean by carry forward of losses? In case if an assessee fails to set off the losses of the previous year in the assessment year, either against the same head, either within the same head or against any other heads of income, then income tax department again comes to his rescue and provides one more opportunity. But he should make sure that uh, he has filed the returns of income, and upon that he can carry forward such losses to the subsequent years. And in the subsequent years, when he earns profits or income, he can try to set off such losses in the subsequent years with the profits which are earned. So this process of carry forwarding the losses of one year to another year or to subsequent years is a very popular and very important arrangement available for an assessee. So let's discuss the provisions available under carry forward of losses uh, to an assessee in India as per Income Tax Act of 1961. So we know there are five heads of income: salary, house property, business or profession, capital gains, and other sources. Among all these five heads of income, there is no possibility of losses from salary. So that's why that is exempted from this provision, that is not available here. But there may be a chance of incurring losses from house properties. So if you fail to adjust your losses within the same head or with other heads, then can you pass that loss to the next year? The answer is yes. So that's why we find the first one, loss under the head income from house property. That means the following five losses can be carried forward to subsequent years. One is loss from house property. Second one, loss from non-speculative business or profession. Loss from speculation. Then long-term or short-term capital loss. And last one, loss from the activity of maintaining race horses, which comes under income from other sources. So an assessee incurring losses from these five sources fails to set off, then he can carry forward such losses to the subsequent years. And for how many years he can carry forward it in the case if he fails to set off subsequently, then the answer to that is available in the coming points. So the first one is about loss from house property only. So from assessment year 1999 2000 onwards, loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent 8 assessment years. That means if he fails to set off the loss in the year 2000, 1819, for example 1819, then he can carry forward it to 1920, 1920, 2021, 21, 22, like this till the end of 8 subsequent years. 8 assessment years he can carry forward the losses. So up to 8 years he can try to set off such losses from house property, a golden opportunity available for an assessee when it comes to house property. And the second one is important, that is loss from non-speculative business. Already we know speculative business and non-speculative business. So here it is a general business. When an assessee has incurred losses from general business or non-speculative business, the question arises, can he set off that? The answer is he can try to set off that against house property income or against capital gains income or even against income from other source, but not against salary. So this is what is already learned. Now when it comes to failure, if he fails to adjust these losses against any other heads of income, then what can be done? the thing is that he can carry forward losses to the subsequent years here also, and he can try to set off such losses again by using the same rule, either within the same head or with other heads. Initially it should be within the same head, and again if it is if he fails to set off, then it can be carried forward as per the rule for up to 8 years. 8 years immediately succeeding the assessment year. So if the loss has occurred in the year 2018-19, again it can be carried forward to next 8 years starting from 1920. So this is the important provision available. uh, as I have mentioned already, you can try to set off this loss within the same head. If not possible, then against other heads even in the subsequent years. uh, Point number 4 tells you about the business loss incurred by the father. Can it be carried forward by the son for set off purpose? That is also provided. Yes, it is available. A loss cannot be carried forward unless it is determined in presence of return filed in time. Means if you fail to file the returns before the due date, then you are not permitted to carry forward the losses, though you have huge losses incurred under business. Next option is for the third one, that is speculation. So when you earn losses from speculation, the first option is you have to set off such losses only against speculation profits. If it is not possible, you can't use other heads of income. And if you fail to, or if you don't have speculation profits, then you have to wait for speculation profits in the subsequent years. So that's why you can carry forward the speculation losses also, but only for the 4 subsequent assessment years. Uh, Again, as I said in the previous video also, in order to discourage the assessees taking part in these type of activities, income tax department does not allow you to adjust or carry forward uh, by not more than 4 years. So you can try for the next 4 years to set off the losses. And next one, capital loss. Capital loss is nothing but losses from capital gains or capital assets. So both long-term and short-term capital losses can be carried forward. Here also, just like business, you are provided with 8 assessment years. So subsequent 8 assessment years are with you to adjust the losses. In the previous year, if you fail to adjust the losses, try for the next 8 assessment years. And again, the general rule remains same. Long-term capital losses can be set off only against long-term capital gains even in the subsequent years, but short-term capital losses can be adjusted against the long-term capital gains also. So keeping these provisions in mind, you can carry forward the losses. And the last one is on loss on race horses. As you have already learned, one is speculation, other one is activities of gambling in nature. These two activities are normally discouraged by the income tax department. uh, we know when it comes to GST, government keeps on imposing taxes on alcoholic and tobacco items, alcoholic liquor and tobacco items. The tax rates or multiple taxes or restrictions, rules are more when it comes to these type of activities. The purpose, as I have mentioned many a times, is to discourage the people from consuming these type of things. So similarly, in order to have a healthy society, income tax department discourages the people taking from taking part from these type of activities. So that's why even with loss on race horses, you are not allowed to carry forward this loss not more than 4 years. uh, Try to set off these losses against the same incomes. You cannot set off these losses against other heads of income, that is already explained to you. And if you fail to set off in the previous year, if you don't have incomes, similar incomes in the same head, then you can carry forward such losses for next 4 years, 4 assessment years. So speculation loss as well as loss on race horses can be carried forward only for next 4 assessment years, whereas capital loss from capital assets and business losses and losses from house property can be carried forward to 8 assessment years. So with this, I try to explain you about the provisions of carry forward of losses. So upon watching these two videos, I believe that you will be able to understand what is set off of losses and carry forward of losses, the provisions provided by the income tax department for the assessees to adjust their losses at the end of the assessment year, or for the profits they have or the income they have earned in the previous year. So uh, if you have any doubt or need any clarification, again uh, try to contact me through the comment box or any other method possible for you. With that, I conclude my presentation. Thank you for watching.